Alright, I just picked up a refurbished Sette straight from Baratza, direct. Like on their website, they sell refurbished grinders, and I've been waiting a while to spot a Sette on there and picked it up. This is just the base one, not the one with the weight. This is basically what you get. So, pretty good price, $2.99, and I think that's pretty good deal. So, packaged nicely and fairly heavy. So let's see. Get the full, looks like, I assume this is the full retail box. So that's kind of nice. And we got quick start guide, that's great. And basically a hopper cover. It looks fine. I don't really see any marks on it. This is grind container and looks basically brand new. I'm not seeing any scratches on that. A couple of shims, Allen wrenches. The top of the hopper, again, I mean, this plastic, to me, it looks new. I don't see any scratches. My guess is all the plastic stuff's new, and you know, with the refurbished grinder, if there's going to be any cosmetic issues, it's going to be on the grinder itself. So, let's see if I can get that out of there. And it's nice, you know, these do come with a year warranty. So the top, a little scuff here, but not a big deal. Obviously they're gonna grind in it, so there's gonna be some grounds. I can see some residue there, but no major scratches. A little bit of a wear mark here. Not a big deal. Back looks good. And again, you know, maybe the biggest imperfection's this little scratch here. But not too huge of a deal. So, I think all said for the price, pretty good deal upgrading Smart Grinder Pro to this. So expect some good improvements to pulling shots on my ECM.